Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. As I promised to do the part 2 of this video, and here is it. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget that on this channel I always review my trade setup and my trade pairs. And on Telegram I always give my setup and share my trade ideas with other traders so you can trade as well. And if my analysis align with yours, I also have a group chat that we can interact and be like, I saw this analysis, I took it. So just your traders can interact. I have a Telegram channel and a Telegram group chat. So make sure you just engage. Also follow me on Instagram so you can relate and see some of other my posts that I can't post on YouTube on Telegram. I do post on Instagram. So and I'm free active on Telegram and YouTube. So to message me, you can see my contact details there, both Telegram and Instagram. And don't forget, like this video. So back to the part 2 of that initial video. If you have not watched it, the link will be on this video description, so you can just click and have a direct access to the video. You don't have to stress yourself searching through my channel to find the video. So back to the chart on how I was able to find a sell trade and flip a sell, even though the market was still in a serious buy trend. And how much did I make from the sell trade? Let's know from the video. So guys, back on that previous video that I was teaching you how I was able to get a sell entry even though the market was buying. So first of all, I saw a channel forming, and if you check my RSI where I do see change of trend, you see that RSI is already giving us a divergence from here. So this market was making higher lows, but this one is already market was making higher lows, but divergence already giving us a high and a low. So that's a clear change of trend divergence. So that was how I was able to know that something's about to happen. And I have to first of all check out for what I call a kind of a sweep. If I turn off my candlestick, you see that here was the most recent low, and here you can see that markets made a shift around this area. So making a shift around that area, I'll then look for the most recent high around here. If I mark here, it's too high. If I mark here, it's too high. You get? So I have to mark my most recent low and watch market's reaction around here. So my own is I do take first entry. If market invalidates that, I take my second entry. The reason is that I'm maintaining a proper risk management, whereby I know that even if I enter here now and market invalidates it, I'm just risking 1% of my account. So I'll just 1% or less down on the account. So that was how I was able to find an entry from here and make a sell trade. And this was the trade that helped me to pass my proper account. So the trade was here. I took the trade here, and my SL was very tight where it should be, which was here, just slightly above that area. This 23 pips. But I didn't just target here. I went for 1:6, which was around here. I think my TP was around here. That 1:5, 1:6, but I can't exactly remember. But I knew that this trade helped me pass my proper account. This was Friday, so Friday Nigerian time, but their Fundednext time was showing me fourth Saturday. So but regardless, say the certificate of my account, I have joined LI Traders, at least second time passing a phase 1 proper account, and this time I passed it with both experience, discipline, and proper risk management. Unlike before, I was maintaining proper risk management, but at the time I had to go hard. And regardless, passing na passing. So as long as you don't pass and you don't pass, but this time around I prefer I pass this account to that previous one. So this was how I was able to take a sell trade from here. And from taking a sell trade, you notice that market didn't just break this low. Market kept lower and even took out the previous low at this area. So taking out that low at that area, I knew that market was going to do another sell around there. So marking my day high and my day low, I waited for market to enter this area again. So from this area, you can see the market sold like massively off this area. And if I should have taken a trade here, of which I wanted to trade, but I went to trade GBJPY, which was never part of my trade plan. And that was how I lost a trade yesterday. Instead of passing an account yesterday, I lost a trade. But regardless, that's just part of trading. So just see a cool 1:8 risk reward. And what I needed here was just half of it, which was 1:4, to make $200 and pass my first one and become funded. Well, it has happened, and that's it. We just learn every day. I took a sell around here because I saw it on someone's Telegram channel, King Ep.3, and that was totally against my trading plan. I don't take signals. I only trade what I see. And another part that pained me the most was that I saw this buy. This buy that happened at my day high. If you watch, you see that here, markets crossed above my EMA 8. And I knew the market was pushing up to somewhere around here. See me now, I plan to take a buy around this area from my day low while risking just holding here as my SL, targeting my 1:4. The market cleared my 1:4, but what has happened has happened. I don't even know why I didn't take the trade, unlike me, that could have just taken the buy anyway. How may happen. Regardless, just learn every day. And this is today. After marking my day high, day low. Do you want to know how I was able to mark out this first entry and then the second entry? You can go to my Telegram channel where I do share my trades and watch how I do mark out levels like this. But this is just simple fib. And fib is, I must see a sweep, which is like a break of structure to the upside, and then waiting for a pullback around here. I mark out my area and market tapped in and push up. So we closed our trade around here, which was a cool 40 pips, 40 for something pips, and I was able to take my trade. So here is my Telegram channel where I do send out my trade ideas. And here was today's trade. Here is today. After the sell that happened, but this was like a scalp, I have to wait for my next trade, which was this trade. And as you can see, last sweep, I marked out my low and waited for market. I intended to set pending on that, but I was still considering whether to set or not to even take the trade. But as market entered this area, I was like, why being afraid? Just take the trade. Highest you lose 1%. But I wasn't risking exactly 1%. I was risking less than 1%, which was like 0.7, 0.8%. Even if markets hit this level, I'll be losing like $40 or something. I will be losing $30 because here was 15 pips and I was just on 2 positions instead of 3. So that was it. And I knew that if markets failed here, I would go for full 1% here or 1 point, depending on how markets invalidated. If markets like invalidates here with just a straight big red candle, so I will know that markets might just be in a strong bearish trend. I will wait for market to react around this my day low. But regardless, we took this trade and it played out fine. So it wasn't even able to make it to my day high before I closed. But drawdown means that I have to just, in as much as I'm trying to follow my trade plan, I still need to compound my profit because they gave you a profit target and not just to make profits. So I've taken the trade and this also is paid out. So here was the trade. We are already in massive profits at 50 pips, but we're on break even. The market started consolidating, behaving anyhow, and we had to close and secure some profits. And that was how I was able to make profits every day. And if you have been on my Telegram channel, I've been wondering, this person that trades, how can I trust the setup? How will I know that I will make profit at the end of the day? First of all, priority risk management, and this video is to show you this person behind that Telegram channel. This is how he makes up his trade and send you signals. And whenever I'm not trading, means that I didn't see maybe an RSI divergence, I didn't see my EMA playing out, I didn't see a fib level of my day high and day low, and there won't be any trade for me to send to you for that day. And sometimes it might be that I have an activity that has taken up my day and it has made me not be able to concentrate and plan the trade well. So in order not to allow my subscribers to lose their money, I would prefer to just everybody to just chill. But with this video, you already know how I trade and you can learn from it. I'm also planning on this day, just since I'm in a lucky mode, like I also want to take some persons along, like engage them on every single day, how I plan for every single day. Early morning when I wake up, I'll give them my routine and they should also follow it and replicate the same results. Replicate the same process so you can actually get a desired result. I have my target for the year and I've already drawn out ways to achieve it. So if you would like to follow up with this whole process, where I'll be sharing every secret, like deep down how I do plan my life this year, just make sure you send me a message. It comes with a little fee though, and the fee is just to make it not to be everybody that will be able to participate. But if you feel that you trust this person and I can give you the best and there is something this year can do offer us, just send me a message and let's talk together. I just want it to be a very private something. That part won't be posted online until we get a desired result. Maybe 2-3 years later, you can then come out and say this was what you achieved, and then we can give a breakdown of the group chats that we are involved in. The fee will just be a little token, just $35.50. $35.50. So it's just very, very affordable. You can afford to pay $35, and I would like it to be a monthly subscription though. But for the sake of my small audience at the moment, I would like to make it a 60 days something. So if you're paying the $35.50, it means that you're able to have access to the channel for 60 days. And if you didn't get any result from 60 days, you are free to then broadcast that it's isn't working. And from there, people will know that it's a scam and they shouldn't subscribe to it. So for the meantime, to have the best of trading in 2025, and make sure you follow up this channel, because I'll be giving more trade breakdown. Then make sure you are a subscriber to my Telegram channel, so you'll be seeing my trades every single day. And also have to get inspired to do more in your trading and never to give up in trading. We are locked in and we must see results. If not this year, we must see results. So trust the process, follow it, and keep growing. This is Jovianking. See you to the next video. Bye bye.